इंग्लिश में अच्छे से
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम तलहा है। इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं। अच्छा।
आप जलसे में क्या करने आए हैं?
Today I am coming here for looking of our leader, our biggest leader, Imran Khan. He was very honest. He was very a good person, because I didn't lie. I didn't see in my life like this person, because he's very a honest person, and he want for his civil, for his humans, for country of Pakistan to peace and contribute for the poor person, for the rich person, for the all of person. And also Imran Khan, he was one to how our country Pakistan, how its development and all around the world, and this is his reside, this is his hope, how our country develop and all around the world. Because today we are seeing a lot of person, youngest person, oldest person, and also smallest person, because a lot of person came for Imran Khan, and everybody want to release Imran Khan, to free Imran Khan for all civil, for all Pakistan's person. And that's my message for.
Tell me
Yeah.
establishment message.
My message for establishment, I demand, not only I am, but every person, everybody want to demand, everybody has demand to release and free Imran Khan, and he will be help and contribute for every person, not only for the human of Pakistan, but everyone, and he will be develop a country of Pakistan and all around the world, and that is my demand for establish of Pakistan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
नाज़रीन, आपने देखा कि ये कारकुन हैं कि इनकी डिमांड है कि आप पीसफुल, आप मैसेज दें, आप अदल इंसाफ करें। इमरान खान के लिए इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा मैसेज दिया, तो इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आप इस मैसेज पे गौर करेंगे और अदल व इंसाफ की तरफ जाएंगे। मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए टाइम न्यूज़ के साथ। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर हाज़िर होऊंगा। शुक्रिया।